Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80070026 for Windows Update on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Basically, we have a script for you to reset Windows Update components. All you need to do is copy the script. It's in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now, I'll tell you what the script does. So, first of all, it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally, it will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. So there is absolutely no single solution associated with Windows updates which we have not performed here. The next solution will be, though it's not actually required, but still the next solution will be to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab. In the right pane, scroll down and then you can select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.